And welcome to Industry Edge. Today's tutorial will show you how to pull up the report or results for a particular applicant or potential employee once they have completed taking their test session. First, you'll need to log into your account, and then you'll want to navigate to participants or reports. We're going to show you how to do it through the reports navigation link first, and then we'll show you how to do it under the participants. So click on reports, and you need to select the date or time frame that you would like. So we're going to say the 14th through the 18th, and we're going to look up for Daniel Gibbs. And then we're going to hit preview report. And here we go. We found Daniel Gibbs. And this was the one test that Daniel took out of the test session that had multiple tests. Daniel scored a 33%. The date that the person took the test is listed here. And then this view link will give you detailed results of the test itself. So if you would like to see how Daniel answered each question and whether or not he got it right or wrong, you would click this link. So we're going to click view. And you're going to see a new link pops up, or I'm sorry, a new tab pops up. And here are the individual questions. At the top is the date the test was taken. Daniel got 5 out of the 15 correct with a score of 33%, and it took Daniel 1 minute and 37 seconds to complete the test. Over on the right-hand side, in these colors are easy, moderate, and hard. These are the questions and their difficulty rating that the system generates. And then if you scroll through, you have multiple answers or multiple questions for each one, and you can see right here in correct whether or not Daniel got it correct, and what Daniel answered was his response. If there's an image associated with the question and you would like to see what that image is, you can click on the link here, and it will take you to the image that was presented to them. We're going to hit the back button and go back to the results. And basically, you can do this through the entire test. And we've got a navigation bar here for the pages, and you can navigate through the various pages. You can also export this information in various formats. We have PDF, a spreadsheet, a rich text, and an image. All right, so I'm going to show you the other way. We're going to look up through the participants. So we're going to click on the participants in the navigation bar. And if we want to look up a participant without looking for a date range, so we're going to look up Daniel Gibbs. And we're going to search. And there's multiple Daniel Gibbs, so we'll click the first one. And you can always verify which one it is by making sure that it matches the employer identifier that you put in for Daniel. And then you can see Daniel completed the test on 9/17, and he scored a 33%. All right, if you would like to look at more details, you can click on the MIG welding, and it will take you into that detailed view of those results. So we're going to click back. He still has 2 other tests that he needs to complete, welding symbols and welding, cutting, brazing safety tests. You can actually, from here, administer those tests from this place as well, so that if for some reason you lost an internet connection or the person's iPad or computer turned off unexpectedly and they need to go back to where they left off, this is where you would go in order for them to continue testing. Find them and then hit the launch button, and you'll see it brings up their test questions or their test that they still have to do within that test session. They already completed the MIG welding, and they've got these additional tests they need to knock out. And that is how you find the results and administer tests from the participants and the reports link. Thank you, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.